and welcome to our vlog presentation. We are from grade 11 Hertz from the group of Infinity and Beyond. In our first video, we'll discuss or tackle about circle. And for today's video, me and my group mates were going to discuss or present to you our new lesson, the parabola. What is the definition of parabola, how to graph parabola, and what are the parts of parabola. So, let's start.
So what is parabola? Parabola is set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point and a fixed line in a plane. So now that we all know what is parabola, let's proceed with different parts of parabola. Vertex, the point midway between the focus and directrix. It is the turning point of the parabola. Focus, this is the fixed point of the parabola. And the directrix is the fixed line of the parabola. Axis of the parabola or axis of symmetry, the line that passes through the focus and the vertex. Latus rectum, the line segment joining two points of the parabola passing through the focus and perpendicular to the axis. Focal distance, the distance between the vertex and the focus.
And now, I am going to present or discuss to you the transforming of the equations of the parabola from general to standard form and the standard to general form. Forming the equations of the parabola from general form to standard form. Example number 1. X squared plus 18x minus 8y plus 81 equals 0. How do I solve the example number 1? First step is group the term with the same variable. X squared plus 18x have same variable. So you need to group it and bring down the remaining terms, the negative 8y plus 81. The next step is move the remaining terms to the right side of the equation. It means the remaining terms negative 8y plus 81 will be transposed to the right side. So when we transpose them, the negative 8y will be positive 8y, and the positive 81 will be negative 81. Create a perfect square trinomial by completing the squares. I put a line here, and I will put a line in the end also. So, how did I get the answer 81? So, dinivide ko po ang 18x sa 2 at ang nakuha ko pong sagot ay 9. Then 9 multiply by itself. 9 times 9 equals 81. Kaya ko po nakuha ang sagot na 81. Whatever terms you have added to the left side should also be added to the right side to keep the equation true. So, kapag naglagay daw po tayo ng 81 dito sa first line, is ilalagay nyo rin po yung 81 dun sa end na line. Fourth step, simplify both sides of the equation. It means po, tatanggalin na natin ang parenthesis. I-bring down natin si x squared, si 18x plus 81, at pati na po si positive 8y. Si negative 81 at positive 81 po, i-compute natin sila dahil there are both like terms. So, negative 81 plus 81 is equals to 0. So, we don't need to write 0. The fifth step, express the perfect square trinomial as a square of binomial to make the equation in the vertex form. So, sinasabi po sa fifth step na yung ginawa po nating perfect square trinomial ay papalitan po natin siya into binomial. Kapag pinalitan po natin siya into binomial, ang magiging sagot ay x plus 9, another x plus 9 equals positive 8y. So, paano po natin nakuha itong dalawang positive x plus 9? Using factoring po. Kasi po, ang dalawang x plus 9 na to is equivalent to x squared plus 18x plus 81. You can check po this using a FOIL method. So, paano natin po paiikliin ito? So, magiging po siyang x plus 9 squared equals positive 8y. So, ito po ang pinaka-final na answer. Next one, transforming the equations of the parabola from standard form to general form. Example number 1, x minus 1 squared equals negative 1, y minus 22. How do I solve this problem? First step is square the binomial. X times squared, x squared. Negative 1 times x is negative 1x times 2 is negative 2x. Next, negative 1 squared equals positive 1. Paano po siya naging positive 1? Negative 1 times negative 1. Then, simplify this. Negative 1 times y is negative 1y or negative y. Next, negative 1 times negative 22 is positive 22. Next step or the second step, place all terms to the left side of the equation. Ibig pong sabihin, yung pangalawang terms is itatranspose natin po siya into the left side. So kapag tinranspose po natin siya is magiging siyang positive 1y or positive y, then ang positive 22 po is magiging negative 22. Parang kamukha lang po siya ng general form to standard form. Yun nga lang ang pinagkaiba nila, ang general form to standard form, to the right side siyang tinatranspose. Ang standard form to general form ay left side po siyang tinatranspose. The next step po, or yung third step, is simplify the equation by combining all line terms. Po dito is positive 1 and negative 22. So bring down the x squared and the negative 2x and the positive 1y, then positive 1 and negative 22. Pagtatabi po natin yung mga combining line terms. And then, the last step or the fourth step, follow the general form. The general form is x squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0 or y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. So as you can see, x squared is x squared, dx is negative 2x, ey is positive 1y, and then the f is this negative 22 and positive 1. So positive 1 minus negative 22 is equals to negative 21. So the final answer is x squared minus 2x plus 1y minus 21 equals 0. So this is the final answer po.
I'm Shinalin Maypatdo from 11ers. I've showed you the formula of upward, downward, left, and right in the parabola.
Ngayon po ipapakita ko sa inyo ang parabola opening upward. X minus h squared equals 4a and y minus k. For the vertex is hk. For the focus naman, h and k plus a. For the LR is equals to 4a. And for the L is a h minus 2a and k plus a. For the R, h plus 2a and k plus a. For the directrix naman, y equals to k minus a. For the axis of the parabola or line of symmetry, is equals to k equals h. For the parabola opening downward naman, is equals to x minus h squared equals negative 4a and y negative k. For the vertex is hk. And the focus naman, h and k minus a. For the LR is a 4a. And for the L is h minus 2a and k minus a. For the R naman is h plus 2a and k minus a. For the directrix naman, y equals to k plus a. For the line of symmetry, x equals h. Parabola opening to the left, y minus k squared equals negative 4a and x minus h. For the vertex is hk. For the focus, h minus a and k. For the LR equals to 4a and r. For the L, h minus a and k plus 2a. For the R, h minus a and k minus 2a. For the directrix, x equals h plus a. And last in line of symmetry, y equals k. For the parabola opening to the right naman, y minus k squared equals 4a and x minus h. For the vertex is hk. For the focus is h plus a and k. For the LR equals 4a, and for the L is h plus a and k plus 2a. For the R naman is h plus a and k minus 2a. For the directrix, x equals h minus a. For the last line of symmetry, y equals k.
So hi guys, good day. Ngayong araw, tuturuan ko kayo how to graph a parabola. So the given equation is x equals 1/2 quantity of y minus 2 squared minus 4. So yung k natin is 2, and then yung h natin is negative 4. We will get the vertex first. Yung h is negative 4. Then yung k is 2. Ang vertex natin is negative 4 and 2. So yung focus naman ng kukunin natin, h plus a with comma k. So ang focus natin is h plus a comma k. So ang h natin is negative 4. Then isolve muna natin yung a. 4a equals 1/2. Then i-divide natin sila both sides sa 4. Then i-cancel natin yung 4. Ang a natin is 1/2 divided by 4 is 2. Inilalagay natin dito 2. Then yung k natin is 2. So ang focus natin is negative 4 plus 2, comma 2. So i-add muna natin si negative 4 and 2. So ang makukuha natin sagot is negative 2, comma 2. So ang focus natin is negative 2 and 2. So isolve muna natin yung point sa left side ng parabola. Ang h natin is negative 4. Then yung a natin is 2, comma yung k 2 plus 2, open and close a 2. So, isolve muna natin si negative 4 plus 2. Ang makukuha natin sagot is negative 2. Then si 2, i-add natin siya sa 2. Yung 2, ita-times muna natin siya sa 2. So, makukuha natin dun is 4. So, 2 plus 4 equals negative 6. So, ang point natin sa left side ng parabola is negative 2 and 6. Isosolve muna natin yung point dun sa right side ng parabola. So, ang h is negative 4. Then yung a natin is 2. Then yung k is 2 minus 2, yung a is 2. So, isosolve natin yung negative 4 plus 2. Ang makukuha nating sagot is negative 2. Then 2 minus 2 times 2 is negative 2 din. So, ang right side ng parabola is negative 2, comma negative 2. So, ang directrix natin is x equals h minus a. Ang h is negative 4. Then yung a is 2. X is 6. Doon na tayo sa axis of symmetry. Y equals k. Ang k natin is 2. So ito lahat ang gagamitin natin para mag-graph yung equation. So i-graph na natin ngayon ang given equation. Ang vertex natin is negative 4 and 2. So mag-i-start muna tayo dito sa origin. Then pupunta tayo sa negative 4. Then yung sa 2. Yun ang magiging vertex ng ating parabola. Then punta naman tayo dun sa focus. Ang focus natin is negative 2 and 2. Punta ulit tayo sa origin. Negative 2 and 2. So dito natin siya i-mark. Hindi muna natin kukunin ng left and right ng ating parabola. Ang unahin muna natin ay yung directrix which is negative 6. So i-mark natin yung negative 6 dito. Sunod naman yan is axis of symmetry. Ang axis of symmetry natin is 2. So magguguhit ulit tayo dito sa 2. Ngayon naman, ilolocate natin yung point na nasa left and right side ni parabola. So, ang ating nasa left is negative 2 and 6. Ilolocate natin siya ngayon dito. Then, ang nasa right side naman is negative 2 and 2. Dito naman natin ilalagay yung marking. So, for the last part, iko-connect na natin sa vertex and the left and right side ni parabola. So, imamark na natin siya ngayon. Ito yung ating vertex. So, ito na ang ating graph ni x minus 1 half quantity of y minus 2 squared minus 4. So, ito na ang ating final result.
Hi, I'm Marlon Morotillo, also from the group of To Infinity and Beyond. For this video, I will show you the real-life picture of parabola upward. But before that, we have to solve our parabola upward.
We have given formula here the quantity of x minus 4 squared is equals to 4a the quantity of y minus 4. So, first one, we have to get our vertex which is our hk. So, paano ba natin kukunin ang ating hk? Kung makikita ninyo sa ating given, ang h natin is negative 4. Yung sa tabi ni x. At yung k naman natin is negative 4 na nasa tabi ni y. So, bago natin siya ikabit sa ating vertex, wag natin siyang kakalimutan na palitan ng sign. So, yung h natin na negative 4 is magiging positive 4. At yung k natin na negative 4 is magiging positive 4 din. Next one is we have to get our focus. We have given formula here, the h and k plus a. So, yung h natin, nakuha na natin kanina, which is 4. Kukunin lang natin yung k plus a natin. Yung k natin, nakuha na rin natin kanina yung 4. Yung a na lang. Ano ba yung value ng ating a? Kung makikita ninyo sa ating given, si 4a, yung a natin may kasama siya. So, anong kailangan natin gawin? Kailangan natin siyang i-divide kay 4 para makancel ito at matira na lang si a. Automatic, yung a natin, meron siyang coefficient number na 1. So, si 4, ipa-plus natin siya kay value ni a. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. So, nakuha na natin ang k plus a natin na 5. So, ang focus natin is positive 4 and positive 5. Sunod naman, yung LR natin na 4a. And, kukunin na natin ang ating latus and rectum. Sa L natin, meron tayong formula na h minus 2a and k plus a. So, si h, ima-minus natin siya kay 2a times the value of a. So, yung h natin na nakuha natin kanina, 4 minus 2 times a, ano yung value ng a natin is 1. So, 2 times 1 is equals to 2. 4 minus 2 is equals 2. So, ayan, yung h minus 2a natin is 2. Yung k plus a natin, nakuha na natin kanina, ito, yung 5. Kabit lang natin din siya. Sunod naman yung r natin, h plus 2a and k plus a. So, baliktad lang siya. Kung kanina minus natin si h kay 2a, ngayon i-add naman natin sila. So, 4 plus 2 times the value of a, 1. 4 plus 2 times 1 equals 2. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So, yung value ni h plus 2 natin is 6. At yung k plus a natin, again, 5. Then, nakuha na natin ang ating latus ng rectum. Sunod naman ang ating directrix na may value na y is equals to k minus a. So, si k, i-minus natin siya sa value ni a. Yung k natin, 4. Minus natin siya sa value ni a, which is 1. So, 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. So, ang ating directrix, value ng y natin is equals to 3. Sunod naman ang ating axis of symmetry or the line of symmetry. So, ang value ng axis of symmetry natin is x is equals to h. So, yung x natin, ang value ng x natin ay ang h. So, yung h natin, ito 4. So, ayan, nakuha na natin ang mga points para sa ating parabola. Kung mapapansin niyo, ang ating a is positive. So, it means ang ating parabola is going upward. So, we have a drawing representation here of parabola upward. So, ngayon, Isa-substitute lang natin yung mga points na nakuha natin kanina. So yung first one is i-substitute natin ang ating vertex na nakuha natin which is 4 and 4. So dito, ito yung 4 sa x, yung sa y naman ito yung 4, so ito yung ating vertex. Sunod naman, kunin naman natin ating focus which is 4 and 5. 4, ito yung 4, sa y ito yung 5, so ito ang ating focus. At ang ating latus and rectum, so dahil upward siya, si L nasa left at si R nasa right, so ang 2, ang value ng L natin is 2 and 5. Ito yung 2, 5. Ito ang ating L. At yung R naman, 6 and 5. 6, 5. Ito yung R natin. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung distance ni latus at rectum kay focus ay pareho lang. At sunod, kunin naman natin ang ating directrix. Sige. Yung y natin sa dating directrix is 3. So ito yung 3. So dito ang ating directrix. Ang ating directrix. Yung sunod naman, yung ating line of symmetry or axis symmetry, na yung x natin is 4. Yung 4, x. So ito ang ating line of symmetry. Si line of symmetry nasa dadaanan niya si focus at si vertex. Yun ang tatandaan nyo kay axis of symmetry. At kung mapapansin nyo rin, yung distance ni directrix at ni axis of symmetry kay vertex ay same din. So ayan, nag-graph na natin ang ating parabola.
For the concept of our parabola, we choose the suspension bridge because we are able to identify the vertex, focus, directrix, axis of parabola, latus rectum, and lastly, the focal distance.